Oh, can you believe it? There's only 4 packages left. I mean, there's 4 days left, including today. So today will be day 11. There it is. Interesting. Very good. Day 11. Oh, it's the largest one I have. Let me just put that on stand here. Let's see what we've got here. Day 11. Day 11. Oh, nice. It's a solid box. It's got an interesting lid that depresses in here, so give it a quick shake. I wonder if it's some sort of flask. Oh, Park Island. This has to be from the Rovo. This has to be from the Rovo. This is great. Is this the bus? Is this what I think it is? Oh, I love it. My goodness. Roven. Day 11, never forget bus number 330. That is absolutely brilliant. Oh my goodness, my family and I will never forget the bus 330. My goodness, that is a very accurate representation of it. How did you get that? Oh, Roven, thanks very much. That is a very special memory. We've caught that bus hundreds of times during our time in Hong Kong. My goodness. Oh, the kids particularly going to absolutely love that. Look at the detail on that. The seats are all accurate. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness. That is a very thoughtful gift. Thank you. Day 11. I will never forget bus number 330.